Yeah, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? This is your boy Baina, your Facebook speaking, guys. And happy Ramadan to you all. Happy Ramadan to you all. Yeah, as you know me that I always start my week. My week was I hit $100 per week. Last week I started with $100. This week I'm starting with $47. Last week I started with $100. This week I'm starting with $47. I'm going this account to $1K of account before this week end. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. You guys, you can see my Clash 1000 synthetic index started with sell. Oh, sorry, please. You can see. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. We are still going up on Clash 1000. We are still going up on Clash 1000 synthetic index. I'm going to take my boom 1000 very soon. I'm going to take my boom 1000 very soon, and I will surely post my results. As you guys say, you need to know how this my strategy on how it really works. Try to look for an entry and boom 1000. Actually, some people that have already entered boom 1000. Some are students, they have already entered boom 1000. They have already know the reason why some of them they have entered boom 1000. The reason why I didn't enter my boom 1000 yet is my account equity. The account actually I have another account, but this $47. I'm just showing it off on my YouTube channel to show you people that this strategy of mine is really working. It's really working, guys. Let it and see what is going to happen before the day end. I'm going to share you results on boom 1000 or Clash 1000. Let it and see what is going to happen, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys in this strategy of mine, you can inbox me. I'm available at any time, and happy Ramadan to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Thanks to you all.